In this video, we're gonna learn how to make Reels on Instagram. Reels is a short form content similar to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Now the way that you add in or create Reels is that you just simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom, or you could also have the plus icon on the top. You just tap on it, and from here you just scroll left on the bottom and select the Reels. Now you'll have two options: either you can take the video straight away, or you can just tap on the plus icon on the bottom left and then upload the video. Just select the video and tap on add and tap on next. Now from here you can do a couple of things, such as add in music to your reel. If you tap on this music option, you can just choose the music that you want and just tap on it and tap on done, and that music will be added. Now other than that, you can also add in text messages, stickers and filters. Now instead of editing your reels inside of Instagram, what you can use is a video editor such like CapCut. CapCut is a great way to edit short form videos. It has everything that you need. You can just edit it and then import it here, and you can just tap on next, and you can just upload it to your profile. So that's the way you make Reels on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. And that's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.